Hello everyone. So midway in painting this Aoshima RX-7, I actually wasn't too happy with the outcome. So I decided to go ahead and repaint it. Strip all the paint and start from scratch. And here it is soaked in rubbing alcohol. I think it's just 70% solution. And I already see some changes, some bubbles underneath. So I think it's taking effect. Alright, it's time to scrub it. And you may need to repeat this process a couple of times depending on the paint. So basically what you do is you scrub, you soak it again, leave it for a few minutes, and then go back, scrub, leave it again. So do it as many times as you need until you get all the paints off. And make sure to use gloves. Now on this video, this is actually just water. It is more effective if you leave it in alcohol and use gloves. Alright, so I soak it for another 30 minutes after scrubbing thoroughly, and this is alcohol now, so I'll be using gloves and a mask. And here it is. It's showing some gray primer remnants, but it's actually very smooth to the touch. So I think if I spray over this with a primer again, it will just be smooth and it wouldn't show. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys like my video, and please do subscribe, share this to anyone who might need this information. Thank you so much, guys.